Alright, setting up Hammer for 2006. It's not that difficult, but one thing you might notice when you start it up in the 2006 version is that, well, for some reason mine all of a sudden doesn't want to load. Okay, well anyway, when you would load Hammer, you would get a fatal error or something about, like, you have to, from about something about wireframe. Anyway, you don't go using 2000. You don't use 2006. What you gotta do is configure it for 2009 because 2006 is just broken. So you have to customize it to get in here. And so what you do is that you would select Half-Life 2, Edit Game Configurations. You double click that sucker. You would go, you would click Add. You would type in the name of the game. Could be whatever you want. You can name Half-Life 2 DeathMatch, bracket 2009, that's what I did. And then you would find the directory. And this is where you go through your Steam apps, the program files, Steam apps, your account name, Half-Life 2 DeathMatch, I believe. And then you would configure this file. You would just click HL2 MP and go VG UI select, I guess. I can't expand that. And then after you did that, you go, okay, let's name it HL2 DM. Go okay. Go okay. And there you go. You have to cycle out the engine. But go to 2009, AHL2DM, and then you go and open up Hammer. Alright, so right when you first start Hammer, it might look like it's all working, it's all dandy and awesome, right? Well, that is an illusion. It is still not working. So, just make a map just really quick. Make hollow 32. Now, if I'm still correct, if you type in... it is working. Damn, okay. Well, I was wanting to prove a point, but it looks like I'm going to have to sort of do this without having the problem right there. Okay, so you would not get weapons. You would not be able to do anything. Like, you would have some of these, but you would not get the weapons that you wanted to put in there. You'd also not get DeathMatch. Sort of sucks that I got it to work, but alright. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go to Tools and Options, I think. And then this is what right here. You have to initialize the data files. So you have to you only have this one. You only have base. You will have to click add. So if I go remove, let's find out now. Good, awesome. Actually, did not. Okay, deathmatch is gone. Weapons should be gone. Wicked. Okay, so in order to rectify this and to get this back up on track, and to make Hammer happy and smiley all once again, you go to Tools, you go to Options, you go to Add, and all you do is you click in your bin file here, and you go HL2 MP FGD Foxtrot Golf Delta, and make sure that is selected. You go Open, and I'm pretty sure that's where you go Add, or you go OK, and you type in Weapon. There's your AR2. You type in Deathmatch. And that's how you get a person to spawn in your deathmatch game. I'll make an official tutorial about how to get stuff in there, or I'm not even sure if I have to. It's a deathmatch is how you get people in the game, and putting weapons in. They spawn automatically after about 15 seconds. That's more technical. You can get more technical about that, but that's pretty much the basics of setting up your Half-Life deathmatch in 2009. 2006 is broken because you get those errors. So that pretty much sums up this tutorial and how to get Half-Life 2 Deathmatch to set up, I guess, to get it going.